Today I'm checking out this fuel hose and automatic shutoff nozzle that was sent to me so I can do this review. Let me get it all unpackaged and get it out of the box, and then we're going to test this thing out. So this is the nozzle and the hose that comes with it out of the box. Really nice red automatic shutoff nozzle. I love that. I'm going to be replacing a non-automatic shutoff nozzle that drives me crazy. This should just make me completely like the whole gas setup that I have all over again now that I'm going to have this. It comes with a manual, comes with thread tape because we don't want anything leaking, and 20 foot of hose. We all need more hose. This is going to be awesome. I went ahead and threaded on with thread tape this auto shut off nozzle here on the hose. This end of the hose is going to be put on my diesel fuel pump, and if you notice there, it's got a rubber gasket already on it, but definitely thread tape those before you put them on. The rubber gasket absolutely helps, but so does the thread tape. So don't forget to do this to keep it from leaking. But now let me go get my pump and we're going to get this all set up. So this is the diesel transfer pump that I'm going to be putting the hose on. This is my old hose and nozzle that is not an auto shut off nozzle, and it leaks. It drives me crazy. So I'm going to be putting the new one on this. All right, so I got the new nozzle and hose put on my pump. I was even able to use the hose from my old nozzle and use that for the intake. So now I have a much longer intake to reach on my transfer pump. And then I have this really nice 20-foot hose here with the automatic shutoff nozzle. Let's go try it. I need to drain the fuel out of this dozer so I can put new fuel in it. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling up these gas cans. And these auto shutoff nozzles should be great because they'll turn off before it fills up. Really pushing that fuel in there. Did what it was supposed to do. These auto shut-off nozzles are great when you're filling up equipment. You don't have to worry about fuel just spraying everywhere. When it fills up, it'll turn off, just like the gas station. I really like it. I think you will too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.